In an increasingly globalized world, collective action becomes more important every day. But would you believe that we can learn in this context from animal swarm intelligence? Ralf Kurvers is convinced we can. He is principal investigator in social decision making at the Center for Adaptive Rationality, and he is now online with us. It's nice meeting you, Ralf. Good morning. Thanks for joining us. I understood collective intelligence when it comes to fish swarms or anthills, but can we really translate these concepts to human societies?
Well, I mean, of course, it's fair to say that a one-to-one comparison from an anthill to an animal to a human societies is, of course, a bit far-fetched. But animals have evolved under a staggering diversity of selection pressures, and have evolved extremely rich and complicated and mechanisms to actually solve collective problems together. So looking at these mechanisms of different species and of different selection pressures can really give us new insights on how you can, actually combine information coming from different individuals that then cleverly actually together perform actions.
In your event during the summit, you will talk in particular about fishes. Why are fishes specifically interesting in this field?
Yeah, so fish shoals have really emerged as one of the model systems of collective decision making, and that's, I mean, on the one hand, because of practical reasons, they're relatively easy to keep in the lab, and if you work with shallow water, you can, reduce their living environment to 2D, and then putting cameras on top of that, you can relatively easily track individuals and looking at the social interactions. But more important reason is perhaps that they have evolved a staggering diversity of social systems. So some fish are mostly seen alone, others in very big groups. So that is a whole range of diversity of how they have evolved, to collective decision-making mechanisms, telling us really something about the evolution of these mechanisms.
And how can we benefit from this? What are the social areas that can benefit most from insights in this field?
Yeah, so in my personal research, for example, we've been studying fish schools, and we found an intricate or an elegant way how they actually increase decision accuracy together. We applied these insights to medical diagnostics, seeing if we pull independent decisions of doctors, can we actually achieve higher diagnostic accuracy? And we confirmed this in several areas of medical diagnostics. So, I mean, moving beyond that, I mean, I think there are many areas where you can actually benefit from pooling decisions of more individuals, in being it in law decision making, geopolitical forecasting, medical diagnostics, especially if you combine such collective intelligence with artificial intelligence. I think this this kind of hybrid intelligence can really be a path forward to improving decision making in many areas.
Well, thank you so much, Ralf Kurvers. Looking forward to your event and learn more about it. Thank you.